Hadin ka Jingplie jong sarkar bansina ya ki Artillery Office Building Bathamai jong ki CNRD Block Bhoi District ki bakentup ya ka Bhoirymbong CNRD Block bat ka Umling CNRD Block ha Bhoirymbong Block lapli ya ka building Bathamai daw Paieid Colbert Chadam ubadeu sipai balai khun ha ki Artillery Thama Indo Pakistan house dem shijar khandai spa 100% bat shijar khandai spa Nongpoh nangta ha Umling Block pat lapli daw ba Rani maring ubadeu nong shana ya ki tiar tem tiar put tenrai khun khasi ubaile deru udeu nong roi bat nong tem bopau na tem Bhoi hagini Artillery Jingplie pai ba ya ki Artillery Office Bathamai ki CNRD Block Bhoi menteri rangba ka jela konrad kongkal sangma ulawan poi rengkat menteri katanat CNRD u80 mondal ki MLA ka than ki bakentup ya MLA ka umroi uba daman bai lamre MLA ka Nongpoh uba Meral Bonsim MLA ka Mauhti uba Charles Marngar MLA ka Jirang uba Sosteno Sotun ka MDC jong ka Nongpoh ka Kong Rona Khamdek DC ka Bhoi wa Bilash Baranwal ki BDO ki bakentup ya ka Dr. Rimika Talang ka BDO jong komroi baru ba Eric Kevin Dekhar uba BDO ka Umling nangta ki officer sarkar lagi tenat baper lembat kiwe.
That this idea was, came to my mind when I was an MLA, and it was in Silsila block. When I entered it, actually it was, you can't even call it a block. It was just one Assam type, just one unit, and every single department, whether it's the the agriculture part or whether it's the veterinaries or whether any of the other departments for PMAY, MGNREGS, you name it, everybody was in one room, and the BDO's office was, I think, just enough for maybe 2 to 3 people to sit, and the building was about to fall. And I asked myself, how do you expect the officers to be able to serve our people when they don't even have a place to sit and place to work? And that's when I told myself that whenever God gives me the opportunity to make a difference, this will be one of the most important projects I will take up. And I thank God for that opportunity, for being able to make this difference. I thank our minister and our officials who have worked tirelessly to make this happen, and today we are in the process of inaugurating many blocks. After this also we'll be going to inaugurate the Umling block, and in fact there are another 5-6 blocks which are on the pipeline. But this has now become into a larger purpose for us. We realized that it's not just the blocks. Every single aspect of administration or service that is provided by the government, we found gaps in all of these different sections. I can't tell you how depressed, I should say, I was when we took over in 2018, and I saw the condition of everything, and I looked at this whole, kind of Mount Everest that we had to climb, and I told all our officers that, well, we have to start somewhere. We cannot just keep looking and say that we don't have money. I'm sure that if we take up this challenge, we move forward, take one step at a time, we will achieve the goal. It may take us time, but we will achieve it. And I'm happy to share with you that 1 or 2 steps we started today has taken us through a very long journey. For the blocks, we are almost sanctioning close to 180 crores. Another 45 crores will be sanctioned for the new blocks in about a week's time. So put together with 135 we have already spent, we're spending close to about 180 crores for all blocks to have new buildings. For all the government LP schools throughout the state, you will be surprised to know that most schools were not renovated or did not have buildings in the last 30 years. But all government schools and all, I'm talking about LP schools, we have in the last 7 years, we have spent 700 crores to renovate and to construct new school buildings. We have spent close to 100 crores for different college buildings, extension work, and some colleges like Sora College, Bakpara, William Nagar College did not even have a building. They were working from small, rented places, and the college was running for close to 10 years without any infrastructure. We sanctioned and work is going on. Most of them have been completed, about 100 crores for different colleges. Our PHCs, CHCs and sub-centers were in dilapidated condition. We have started the work. Again, it's a long journey. We can't finish everything in one go. But we started that process. And I'm happy to tell you that close to 300 crores worth of Cs and sub-centers. A lot of the civil subdivisions did not have buildings. They were announced as civil subdivisions. All the subdivisions that did not have a building for new construction of new buildings for them. You won't believe, like South Garo Hills, Bakmara district, they just recently celebrated 33 years of their district being granted to them. And you will not believe, they did not have a DC office till now. It was only last year that we sanctioned a DC office for Bakmara. Work is going on. All the new districts that we have announced, we have sanctioned money for those new buildings to come up in those districts also. Police stations and the SP offices, there was no repair maintenance for them. And you know why? Because even to sanction one air conditioner or even to paint their offices, they had to take approval from headquarters and from the secretariat. And the power to sanction was less than 50,000 rupees, which means even to buy an AC, they would have to wait for almost a year and a half to 2 years before the SP could buy an AC or even paint the thana. We decided to decentralize things. Every SP today receives minimum of 50 lakhs every year as an untied grant to do what they feel correct in order to repair and improve the thanas and the infrastructure.
Kini kor komputer, kiba internet bador badar. Ni di hajan jongpi, hangne hadukan jongi. Han Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex, Harishan Enterprise, haka kamera kaba shispa iway. Refurbished laptop but desktop. Phun number. Pra iway layar not sau pra sansau. Lane pra lainyo arnyo sawar driwnyo.